Well, I think everyone has a different viewpoint on quality of life, but when it comes down to its balance, it's balancing work and family or your other interests outside of work, and has always been the challenge.
Wdesk has so many different capabilities that it lets you move beyond just the reporting process.
When we signed up for Wdesk in 2015, I think we knew it would bring efficiencies. We knew that it would be a more useful tool over legacy processes. I don't think we ever foresaw that we would be filing remotely one day due to a hurricane, but it was very comforting to know that we could do that and that we did do that.
Like most companies, we adopted the new revenue standard in Q1 of 2018. After double checking and triple checking our numbers and our journal entries, we actually found a journal entry that needed to be made pretty late in the game.
We made the decision, everyone should take their computers home so that we have access to it if we need, if something should happen. Once the weekend hit and the flooding occurred, I think it became very real.
Work at a senior level, unfortunately, is not a 9-to-5 job. It's almost a 24/7 role that requires a bit more creativity on the individual to be able to manage more stress, more workload.
2 out of our 3 reporting team members, including myself, had to evacuate our homes due to flooding. And so we're in an environment where everybody was connected either at home or in a friend's house, some displaced location.
We got on a phone call as a team, accessed Wdesk, and we had our PSM, our professional services manager, on call, right there available with us.
And actually, right before our earnings call script was going to be recorded, we were able to make the journal entry and make the changes in Wdesk. Because of the linking, it flowed through all the documents, including the earnings call script. Our executives didn't even know. It didn't disrupt the pre-record schedule. They were able to record, and they just had assurance that the numbers were correct.
At the end of the day, once we decided to live file and we got the clear, it was business as usual.
With my organization and using Wdesk, I've been able to merge my interests, my passion at work. 2 summers ago, I worked remotely for 51 days in South America. Throughout that entire period, I was able to continue my work. To be able to run a global organization remotely is something that's remarkable. To do our SEC filings without being tethered to a desk is just a priceless value.
Work-life balance is very important. I have family time that I like to be part of. I like to do hobbies. I like to travel. With the demands of the job, they can be a lot with all of the things that need to be gathered and making sure everything's correct. Wdesk allows me that assurance that it can be taken care of, and then I can leave for the night or for the weekend and enjoy those things.
I think everyone desires to have their systems and platforms that they use be as simple and efficient as possible, and I think Wdesk contributes to that goal.
It's a no-brainer. Wdesk just does so many things and has the whole reporting cycle covered.
The time saved through these efficiencies that we've picked up from Wdesk, it allows each team member, as they complete their areas, that they can go and assist other team members, which I think brings up the spirit of the entire team.
Having the capabilities of Wdesk definitely has decreased my stress level, being able to be with my family, traveling on vacations, and being able to both meet the increasing demands on my time from my work as well as family is just something that I can't put a price on.